Hey, it's Andy with IT Supplies. HP's newest line of latex printers has been released in phases. HP began with the 630 and 630W models in 2023. This model was designed for entry-level and low-volume sign shops. Just this spring, HP introduced the 730, 730W, 830, and 830W printers that are geared towards more higher volume users. The 830 printer is HP's flagship and comes with the fastest print speeds and the lowest ink costs. But the 630 and 730 printers share a lot of similar features, and many customers consider both models before making their choice. Today's video is going to break down the 4 top differences between the HP Latex 630 and 730. Don't buy either printer until you've watched this video so that you can make the right choice for your business. At first glance, the HP Latex 630 and 730 printers look very similar. They offer the same 64-inch print width, they use the same 1-liter ink boxes, and they both have white ink capability if you choose the W models. However, despite the similarities, there are several key differences that you should know in order to make the right investment. The first and most noticeable difference is print speed. The 630 and 630W printers are ideal for entry-level or low-volume use. The standard quality mode is the 6-pass setting, which is a sweet spot for production speeds. In 6-pass mode, the Latex 630 prints at 151 square feet per hour. To put that into perspective, it would take about 5 hours to print an entire 60-inch by 150-foot roll. In comparison, the 730 and 730W printers print at 226 square feet per hour in the same 6-pass mode. That's about 50% faster, meaning you can finish a 60-inch by 150-foot roll in less than 3.5 hours. This speed boost is thanks to twice as many color and white print heads. The 630 has 3 print heads dedicated to color inks and 1 print head for white ink. The 730 has 6 heads for the color inks and 2 white ink print heads. If you plan to print white ink modes often, the 730W is up to 3 times faster than the 630W in spot white mode. To handle the faster output, HP also added 2 additional fans and a longer curing unit on the 730 series to ensure prints are properly dried as they exit the printer. If you are looking for a more productive printer, the Latex 730 offers 50% faster print speeds than the Latex 630. The second difference you'll find between the Latex 630 and 730 is the fabric printing. If you plan to print on open weave fabric or fabric rolls without a liner or protective backing, the 630 series is not for you. Some HP Latex printers support an optional ink collector kit that absorbs the ink that soaks through porous fabrics. That ink collector kit cannot be added to the 630 or 630W models. So if you want to enable fabric printing on your Latex printer, opt for the Latex 730 printer, which does support the ink collector kit. The third difference is the ability to print double-sided. When HP announced the 730 and 830 series, one exciting feature was the return of automatic double-sided printing. This automatic double-sided printing was available in the older 500 series, but it was removed in the next generation, leaving users with a manual, time-consuming process. Now, printing double-sided is as easy as toggling a setting. The printer will print a registration mark before the graphic, and once the roll is flipped, it will find that registration mark and align the second side with millimeter level accuracy. If you want to offer double-sided banners, this feature is only available on the 730 and 830 printers, but not on the 630 model. The final difference that we're going to note today is in the ability to print 5-layer white ink mode. This difference applies only to the W models, as those are the versions with white ink capability. Opting for the white ink version of the Latex 630 or 730 opens up the ability for layered printing, which unlocks powerful creative applications. While the Latex 730W is up to 3 times faster than the Latex 630W in white ink modes, both printers are capable of spot, overflood, underflood, and 3-layer print modes. But there is one high-value white ink mode that is only available on the Latex 730W and 830W, and that is the 5-layer print mode. This mode prints a layer of color, a layer of white, a layer of black, a layer of white, and another layer of color. That middle black layer acts as a blockout in between 2 underflood white ink prints. It's a lot of ink density to lay down and cure, and it's only available on the 730W and 830W. So if you want to print clear material on both sides, where each side has its own unique image, then you'll need the 5-layer white ink mode on the Latex 730W. If you want to learn more about latex white ink modes, we have an in-depth tutorial on our channel. Search for sandwich mode, and Bob will walk you through all the options. Those are the top 4 differences between the Latex 630 and 730 printers. As you weigh these 2 printers, we hope that this video helps clarify things for you. If you're considering investing in one of these machines, let us first run some sample prints for you. Spend 30 seconds sending us your file at itsupplies.com/print samples, and we'll ship back to you printed samples. Better yet, reach out to us and set up a live demo in our Chicagoland Demo Center or remotely via video. We'd love to help you compare the full HP Latex portfolio so that you can make the best choice for your business. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.